this is Dan from Vigrant Tech. Today I'm going to introduce a remote control trash chassis. This is a perfect solution for all your robotics and DIY projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, it will be must exceed your expectations.
The remote control chain chassis is built for appearance. The fuselage is large and the space reserved for development is sufficient. The integration of brushless motor with a gearbox. The motor is designed with no Hall sensor. First, the innovative design achieves high transmission efficiency, low energy consumption, a high gear reduction ratio, and a robust one-gear system. Second, reasonable electromagnetic design, motor running more stable, low noise. Third, dustproof and waterproof. Fourth, reasonable gear parameters, reliable structure, stronger bearing capacity. Notably, the gear and motor are seamlessly combined, utilizing internally applied great lubrication to prevent oil leakage and ensure long lifespan. This is a brushless DC motor controller, which has the characteristics of safety response and fast response speed. The machine is equipped with a function expansion hub, which can control additional 4 channels. It can easily control and expand other functions required by customers without professional remote control knowledge. On the basis of our chassis, you can freely add other function modules to create a new vehicle and meet your own needs. The built-in smart chip can intelligently detect the current and heating conditions, which can ensure stable use all year round. And it has slow start function. The operation is smooth, and there will be no frustration when accelerating or decelerating suddenly. The frame of the fuselage is reinforced to prevent deformation and displacement. The track is 15 cm wide and capable of walking in muddy, rough, and sloping environments. This is driving wheel. Vigrant driving wheels are cast and then CNC grade, which are strong and durable. This is track driving wheel. Cast steel is much heavier, stronger, and more durable. This is control panel. Each function button has a clean mark for easy identification by users. Also install an emergency stop button on it to ensure the safety of users in emergency situations. This is remote control. Effective remote control distance 200 meters. How to operate? First, we start the remote control. Start the power. Forward. Backward. Turn left. Turn right. Speed control. Low speed. High speed. Cruise control. Turn off the power. Turn off the remote control.
It's time to take your hobby or profession to the next level with a chassis. Invest in the remote control trash chassis today and experience the true power of remote control vehicles. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.